Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make Wix website under construction. So basically you're gonna have to add a new page. So you're gonna have to click on manage pages and then here simply add a blank page. So you're gonna have to go to so let's see. So you're gonna have to simply go to site menu and then here you're gonna have to click on new page, then select blank page, and basically what you're gonna have to do next, so click on done, and then here you're gonna have to simply set this as a home page, and then you can simply add the coming soon text. And if you want to remove the header from here, you're gonna have to simply choose no header, and basically that's all you have to do. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.